What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to disable your password on Shopify, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean so much if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So let's hop into the process. So maybe you are having a password and you want to allow people to access your Shopify store without password. So how to do it? Well, basically, if you remove password protection, then anyone can visit your online store. You can only remove password protection from your online store after you pick a pricing plan. If you pick a plan while you're on a free trial, then you won't be charged any subscription fees until your free trial expires. There are two ways to remove your online store password. Well, basically from your themes page and from the preferences page under online store in your Shopify admin, and you can remove the online store password from the theme page of your online store in Shopify admin. So what are the steps? So from your Shopify admin, go to online store and select themes, and basically there is a banner display that says your online store is password protected, and just click remove password. If the banner isn't displayed, then your online store isn't password protected. Also, you can remove the online store password from the preferences page of your online store in your Shopify admin. So steps are: from the Shopify admin, go to online store and select preferences, go to password protection section and uncheck restrict access to visitors with the password and just click save. So basically that's the entirety of the process, guys. When you go to online store, we're gonna wait for it to load. We can go through the themes, or we can go through the preferences where people need to have a password to enter. As you can see over here, password protection, I'm having restrict access to visitors with the password, so you just want to check it or unchecking depending on what do you want to do. So basically that's the entirety of the process, guys. Hopefully this video was helpful to you, and as always, thank you so much for watching and see you in our future tutorials. Goodbye.